Very good afternoon, friends. Please ignore the traffic. After the unboxing of the new Hero Electro, I present my 2 months review of the new Hero Electro Essentia TX 27.5 inches wheel. It's a non-gear e-bike produced by Hero. The e-transmission is by Hero, and it has 3 modes. So you can see the gear lever switch when we on the bike. So there is low and high. This is the battery capacity, and these are the 3 modes which we can see in low, medium and high. The mode we can switch from low, medium and high depending upon by pressing this mode. And the low mode gives you around 6 kilometers per hour max, medium is 18 kilometers per hour, and high is 25 kilometers per hour. And with this 6 kilometers per hour button we can walk and talk. It's a walk and talk mode. So the bicycle mainly has 4 modes of bicycling. That is a normal without the electric gear, which gives us the exercise bike. The second mode is the pedal assist mode, where we switch on this electric motor and it gives just a gentle push while we paddle. So a normal bicycle is in a range of 1 paddle is to 1 wheel movement. So when we switch on the electric motor, it gives about 1:4 ratio. It comes with a front disc brake and a rear drum brake. This is the electric motor, which we can see here. It doesn't come with the lock and the mudguards, front and the rear mudguards, and the bell too, which I have fitted later on the bike. So it's my 2-month review. I am riding the e-bike daily on a pedal assist mode, while on some Sundays and on some weekdays I drive it as an exercise bike. It's a good review. I have come right now to Chandani Chowk. So it has the battery which is fitted here in this arm, and you have the charging port here. You get a laptop charger with the bike itself, so you can charge it at home on a normal plug. It takes around 3 to 3.5 hours for a complete charge of the bike, and it has a range of about 30 to 35 kilometers, which is quoted by as per Hero on their website. I have not actually measured the driving capacity of the bike, and yep, it is pretty good. I like the bike, and the speed sensors are fitted. The speed sensors are fitted in this pedal, which recognizes speed during the pedal assist mode and helps in driving the force with the electric motor, which is in the rear drum. This bike has 2 colors. One is a Falcon Blue and this is the grey. The Falcon Blue which comes it's a gloss finish, and the grey which I have purchased comes in a matte grey. You can fit some more accessories here, like the bag which can carry our just accessories like a mobile phone. Some LED lights which I have seen on Amazon but not yet purchased. So it comes in box with a reflector in front and a reflector at back too. And there are 2 models in this, which I purchased is for about 21,000 rupees. This is with the mountain bike tires, and one comes with the hybrid tires, which are the slim tires. That model is known as the E-Zephyr. The price of them both are the same. You can specially get these bikes in the geared variant too, which are around 5,000 rupees pricier than these 2 models. Right now Hero has replaced all these models with newer models such as the C3, C5, C8. This is replaced by the C5 model, and the C8 is the Town Master model, which is around 32,000 rupees. And they have launched another 2 models such as the C3i and C5i, which have a Bluetooth connected app activity with the mobile phone, and also have, I think, a RFID lock bike for the bike, sorry. And yeah, I don't know the actual pros and cons of the mountain bike and the hybrid bike as such. I just rode this bike for about around 15-20 kilometers right now without the electric mode, as I'm on exercise today. Yeah, I'm satisfied with the bike, and it's a good buy. You get a release handle for this bike, so you can remove this front tire, and you can, under other chassis, you can put directly in your car, and you can travel, and you can take the bike away for a travel at long distances. I'm right now in Chandani Chowk in Pune. I'm traveling back home, and thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like the bike. And if you have any questions, please put in the comment box down below. I surely will answer them.